Hi there, STEAM family. My name is Sasha and I'm in Mr. McCurry's class. Today is January 9th, 2019. Happy birthday to the following students this week. Today in Appling's Answers, Mrs. Appling reminds us how to check out ebooks on our Destiny account.
Hey everyone, this segment of Appling's Answers, I'm going to show you how to check out ebooks. First thing you're going to do is you're going to want to go to our Destiny webpage, which you can find at destiny.bsd124.org, and then clicking on Hillcrest. And when you're on the homepage, you're going to look for this purple box that says Access Follett Destiny. Sometimes it's going to be right in the middle right here. Sometimes it's going to be off to the side.
Some of you guys, when you log into Destiny, might see a screen that looks like this and not like the previous screen that I was just showing you. If your screen looks like this, to access the ebooks, you would just click on the left-hand side where it says Destiny Discover. And here's a close-up of what that looks like. So once you click on that little button, it'll take you to this next page.
Click on it, and you're going to sign in to your account. Your sign-in account is the same exact thing for your Destiny account. One thing that I want you to know about this site is that it can help you find either physical books, those are books that you can actually touch and that you can go get in our library, or our ebooks. But this is the site that you need to use to actually check out an ebook, an electronic book, meaning you can read it on your device. When you sign in, you can see all 212 ebooks that we have. One thing I want to mention is that some ebooks, just because it's an electronic book, doesn't mean that everyone can read it at the same time. So you're going to want to look. If you see one of one available, that means there's only one copy, like it's a physical copy. There are some fiction books that we have where they have unlimited copies, and I would say most of our nonfiction, actually all of our nonfiction on this site have unlimited copies. So if you and your friend want to read about 3D printing, both of you guys can check out the same book on your devices and read it at the same time and not have to worry about sharing a physical copy. If you wanted to read a fiction book, we do have some fiction books. Just make sure that you see this unlimited copies. We have a lot of these type of books right here that are sports fiction, and then some of these that are kind of like the mystery, maybe a little bit suspenseful type of books. So one of the books that is very popular in our library is Minecraft. So if you want to search for a Minecraft book or an ebook, you just type it in the search. Make sure you spell it correctly. And so Minecraft, like I said, is one of those very popular books that I always get questions on. And as you can see, all of our physical copies are out of our library. But we do have some electronic copies that you can actually check out. So if you wanted to see all of the electronic Minecraft books we have, here they are. So if you kind of search through them, when you're ready to check out an ebook, all you have to do is just push that checkout button. It'll tell you when it is due, which is October 10th. The beauty of ebooks is that you don't have to worry about turning in the physical copy. It'll just automatically come off of your account. If you weren't done with that book, especially with the unlimited copies, you can recheck it out. So that's the very cool thing about ebooks. One thing I do want to show you though is that this site will search for it'll search for physical books right here, or search for digital. If you have this all checked, just keep in mind what kind of resource that you're looking at. If it has a red book that looks like this, that means it's a physical copy. It means you can touch the book with your hands. You have to go into our library to check it out. If it has this green E and it says Follett ebook, that means that you can actually read it on your device. So I've had kids that were kind of confused, and they were saying, well, I want to read this one, the Minecraft Essential Handbook, on my laptop. But then I would tell them, well, look at what kind of resource it is. It's an actual physical book. It's not an ebook. So make sure that if you are wanting to read an ebook, that it has this green E and it says Follett ebook on it. So I hope you have happy reading times with these ebooks. Maybe get a friend or two. Maybe you guys can get together and read the same books. It's easy through our ebook system. Remember, some of them are unlimited copies and some of them only have one copy, but either way, ebooks can be a very cool thing to read. So, happy reading!
Remember that tomorrow we will be meeting in our school families. That's all for today, friends. Have a wonderful Wednesday. Now please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance and Pride chant.